Today we use an active equalizer balancer to equalize a set of 5-string electrical tool battery packs. Now let's look at the voltage of each string of batteries. The first string is 4.07 V, second string is 3.47 V, third string is 4.06 V, fourth string is 3.28 V, fifth string is 3.94 V. The differential pressure reaches 0.8 V. Next we use Sunco 513 active equalizer, connect the battery pack. Detect the current and voltage changes in the equalization process and the use effect. First of all, we have to prepare 5 multimeters and voltage tester. Adjust each multimeter to 10A gear. Now we connect the 513 active equalizer in sequence. The black cable connect B0 and the negative pole. B1 connect the first string, B2 connect the second string. And so on. Before connect the active equalizer, use the line sequence test board to test the line sequence. Five LED lights on, brightness uniformity demonstrate correct wiring. Connect equalizer, the indicator lights up. Before turn on, let's look at the parameters of the multimeter and voltage tester at this time and press the white self-locking switch for continuous equalization. You will notice the current of multimeter, because the test leads is reversed, so the second and the fourth string display. Normally the 2 strings display plus. The first 3 are D, fifth display dash. That explain 1,3,5 string is charging to 2, 4 strings. The second string charging current is 0.8A, the fourth string is 1.03A. We can see from the voltmeter that the voltage is rising. The 4's is rising to 3.41 V, added 0.13 V, the current begins to decrease. The greater voltage difference, the greater the equilibrium current. For ease of presentation we use 5 strings battery pack. But that actually supports 13 strings max, and 524 supports 24 strings max. Large voltage difference of battery pack will reduce the life of the battery pack. The low voltage through the protection plate, it will be protected first. On the contrary, the highest voltage, it will be protected first and stop charging. While other strings are not fully charged, which has a great impact on the use. Now, after a period of equalization, the second string has risen to 3.55 V. The fourth string has risen to 3.55 V, and the voltage of the other 1.3.5 strings is falling. That scene the effect is very good. The longer the time, the more effective. After equalization, the voltage difference 0.01 V, 0.02 V. Complete the balancing work.